Moral outrage is attractive among long-term relationship seekers. No, I did not come up with this. It was a study conducted by a university. Check this out. The study states that moral outrage is an attractive behavior, particularly to people seeking long-term relationships. The work indicates that people who displayed moral outrage were considered more benevolent and trustworthy than a control person not displaying outrage, and therefore more likely to possess the pro-social behaviors that would benefit a long-term relationship. Yeah, moral outrage my ass. Thanks, but no thanks. No, we'll do fine without it.